Hey, this is Pete, wrapmyspyder.com. Today we just wanted to feature one of our new products for the Spyder top case, in particular the 2020 RT Limited as well as the Spyder F3 Limited. And here we have the top case. We created a side stripe, so we're featuring this right here. This is a custom side stripe that we created. It's pre-bent for easy application. We can change the text that goes inside the stripe. I'm sure we'll have some standard text. No doubt I'll hear from you with your ideas as far as what you want to appear in there as a custom, so that may be an option. This is silver metallic. We happen to be working on a 2020 RT that we're doing a lot of templating on. As you can see, in addition, up here on the top, we've created a pre-cut kit with individual panels that you can apply. Nobody likes this glossy black. It scratches. It's hard to take care of. So we created a pre-cut kit. We even have pieces for here too that just aren't on. But that way you can protect this glossy black that's sensitive to scratches, either with our clear paint protection material, or you could add color to it. In this particular case, we used a satin charcoal metallic just for testing purposes as we're templating, but it kind of gives you an idea for options that you may have to personalize your bike. So again, for the Spyder F3 Limited as well as the 2020 RT. So this stripe right here, we were featuring the F3 stripe, and of course it says Spyder F3 Limited. It has the outline as a accent, has very much a factory type appearance, so not necessarily looking like it was something that you added, but certainly could have come from the factory that way. So we created it, as I said, to be pre-bent, and so it curves right around the back of the bike, has a nice ending, and certainly a nice little accent to change up the appearance as well as add a little bit of protection too. So that was just a quick video. You're going to be able to find these products as well as a ton more coming for the 20 RT at wrapmyspyder.com. If you have questions, you can email us at sales@wrapmyspyder.com. We appreciate your attention, and thank you for watching.